Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need immediate access and the device passcode. Without it, you cannot change Face ID settings. Once unlocked, open Settings and go straight to Face ID and passcode. Enter the passcode when prompted so you can view enrolled faces. If the other person's face appears as an alternate, you can remove it here. Make sure you're acting with permission. If the phone is managed by an employer or school, stop and contact admins before proceeding. Once in Face ID settings, decide. Remove the single alternate or reset all biometric data. Tap Reset Face ID to erase every enrolled face immediately. This removes someone else's face and requires re-enrollment for you. Alternatively, if an alternate appearance is shown, tap it and delete that specific entry. Make sure to follow with setting up your own Face ID or leaving biometric off and enabling passcode-only access for security. If you see prompts tied to Apple ID, authenticate to confirm the change. Finish by restarting the iPhone so the removal takes full effect, and then verify by trying Face ID restricted actions. If removal fails, make sure no mobile device management or activation lock is preventing changes. Contact the device owner's Apple ID holder or admin. Update iOS and retry. Software bugs sometimes block biometric edits. If you still cannot remove the face and you are the rightful owner, consider back.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.